What is up, guys? In this video we're going to be going over getting started on RYZE CRM. So there's a few things that you need to do. Very first thing, as soon as you get on here, and it's actually right at the top just for you. It's going to be one of the only times you ever come to this, but it's going to be Launchpad, and what you're going to do is go ahead and get the link to download the mobile app. You need to have the mobile app on your phone to do anything mobilely. So you cannot have this version of the platform on your phone. It's completely different on the phone. Your phone cannot handle this much power. A CRM like this requires a good bit of power to run, so your phone cannot do it. The second thing you're going to do is connect your Google My Business. That is super important. You got to have your Google My Business connected so that everything is directly integrated with that. You need to have your Facebook and Instagram integrated. You're going to do that by clicking connect here. Then you're going to click. This is just to say that you have put the chat widget that is on here onto your website. So if you do not know how to do that, message us, we'll do it for you, or watch the video on chat widget. But this is where you do this at, and then you want to integrate your WhatsApp. If you do not have a business WhatsApp, no problem, you can skip this step here. You want to go ahead and connect your Stripe account if you're using Stripe. If you're using a different payment processor, no problem, you can definitely use another one, but Stripe is what we recommend to everyone. And then if you are on a WordPress website and not a website built through our platform, you can absolutely go ahead and connect that through here as well. You'll be able to access the admin page for WordPress on here as well, and you'll do that through sites. That's right here. And then if you want to use Yext is a business listing service. We can set that up for you if you do not know how to do it. If you do, you can connect that here. You can actually purchase that directly through the platform as well. Then the only other thing you would ever come to Launchpad for is if you want to add a team member. You can add a team member right here by clicking add. And what happens is it opens up this page and you enter in the email addresses of your team members. This is only one way to add a team member. So you can actually add a team member in settings as well. The second thing you want to do is go to settings. Arguably, it could be the first thing that you want to do, and go ahead and set up your business info. So business info is everything about your business. Some of this is going to be filled out by us whenever you sign up, but some of it will not be. So you want to go ahead and upload your business logo. That is something that you're going to have to do. And in fact, we'll touch on how to upload all your media. You can actually upload this straight through here, but there's actual media page as well. You want to upload a good bit of your business stuff too. So go ahead and upload that. You can watch there's a video on how to fill all of this out. It's called Business Settings. So you can watch that one as well. It's on the demo page, but you need to fill out all of this information as accurately as humanly possible. Go ahead and set up your call settings, your missed call text back, and all that stuff. And then you want to go ahead and set up your staff. Again, this is something that we can do. As you can see, we have a couple testers in here, but these will not be on yours. You want to add an employee. You will already be on here as an admin, but your other employees will not be. So whenever you come here, you'll add the first name, last name, email. Do not have to add a phone number, but we recommend you do add their phone number. If they have a calendar or need a calendar, we can go ahead and set that up for them as well. Go ahead and select what calendar they're going to have, and then the event settings, if you want to go ahead and set up a password for them. If not, they're going to be emailed a password, and then they can change it after. Here you can go ahead and set up the signature that goes on the bottom of the email, or you can do that through Google. Either one works. User permissions, so depending on what kind of employee they are, go ahead and select which permissions you want them to have. So this is just going to be the things that they're able to edit and do. And then their user roles, are they admin or a user? If they're not a high-ranking person in your business, do not put them as an admin, because if you put them in an admin, they can change any of this. So admins are only people that have the ability to change user permissions. So nobody else needs to be an admin. Only top-ranking people that are like in this software every single day. Your call and voicemail settings will be in here. So all the web stuff, mobile app, if you want it to run through their mobile app. Most of the time you're going to want us to do with most of that. So if you have any questions on this, just have us do it. It's easier. Then you want to set user availability. So including your own. So if for instance, if you guys take meetings Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., then that's what you would put your availability as. And what that will do is allow bookability on whoever's calendar this is being made for. So like if it's for your calendar, and you want to work, and you want to take meetings Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., then you would need to do that. So set the hours 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and copy it all. Or you can have very specific hours for very specific days. And then here's where you would configure your Google Calendar or your Outlook Calendar or Safari Calendar or Apple Calendar, whichever calendar you use most of the time. We suggest using Google Calendar as it is the best and it's free, along with your Safari Calendar or the Apple Calendar, whichever you want to call it. All that will be directly integrated. So anything that's on that calendar will show up on your calendar over here for that specific employee. So each person can set up their calendar. That way you can see, like if they have flights booked or if they're going to be busy on that particular day. That's some of the things that need to be done first. After all that's integrated, we want to come down to integrations, and you want to connect all of this stuff. Anything that hasn't already been connected, go ahead and connect it. Sign in with Google, connect your, if this wasn't done on Launchpad, get this done. If you have QuickBooks, go ahead and connect that. Your LinkedIn, go ahead and connect that. And then you want to go ahead and go over to media. And media is actually going to be right here on the first page under memberships. So you go to media storage, you want to click new upload file, and what you want to do, just to make for easeability, go ahead and upload all of the files and photos related to your logo or any business photos in general. So like anything that you ever put on Facebook for your business, employee photos, go ahead and upload all of that stuff and go ahead and put them in folders as well. So like you can set up like all your business logo folders. If you have little videos of the business, we can upload those in here. Go ahead and upload anything media related to your business. That'll be the step number 4. Okay, step number 5 is you're going to be using us for this most of the time, but if you're not, you're going to go to phone numbers, and we're going to set up a phone number. We're going to buy that from Lead Connector, which is our software as well. So go ahead and come in here. Come in here and set up your phone number. The screen will look a little different, but you'll be able to see where it says buy phone number. They're about $1. Select a number that has a local area code most of the time, but you can also buy a 1-800 number. We usually tell people to buy just a local number to where you're at. That is the best. So go ahead and buy that, and then we'll set up the HTTP thereafter. Also, one of the most important things is you want to go ahead and add your payment method. This isn't for us to just constantly run your card. It's actually to run your card for the miscellaneous charges such as phone number and email charges. You also have charges for sending text messages and whatnot. Those are like 0.0004 cent per text. Charges for emails as well. So you want to go ahead and just add your card here for that. That's going to be one of the first things you need to do as well. Other than that, that should be enough to get you started. Any other questions, please let us know. This is just a video to help you get started. Some very basic things you can do. It should take you about an hour, maybe less, 45 minutes to go ahead and get everything done. Cool. Other than that, shoot us a message with any questions. Shoot us an email, call us, whatever you need to do. Cool. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye.